Welcome back to the channel. I hope everybody watching is having a great day. Today we're back with another episode of 1 Minute Sneaker Reviews. This is where I give you a quick review of a shoe that I picked up in under 1 minute. I'll put a link to my last episode up on the screen right here if you want to go and check it out. Make sure you also check out my Instagram if you want to see any of my shoe posts before anybody else does. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button down below. Alright, let's go. Today we're taking a look at the Nike Dunk Low by Jacob. This is my version of the Nike Dunk Low from Nike ID. This shoe was $150 retail and took about a month to get here. As you can tell, the extra price is worth it. This is high quality, premium tumbled leather, which looks way nicer. They also have a much softer toe box in my opinion, making them a little bit more comfortable than the regular Dunks. I went with the Chicago color scheme. I personally think it turned out awesome. I cannot wait to break these in. What do you guys think? What colorway would you customize? Let me know down in the comments below. Well, this has been 1 Minute Sneaker Reviews. I hope you enjoyed. Thank you for all of your support and have a great day.